My name is Kelly Ruiz. I'm a sophomore here at UW Green Bay, and I'm studying elementary education and English second language education. It was big. That was my really first impression of it, and I was just really excited. I knew the space was new, that it was clean. It was amazing. We really like the windows. The study spaces, the availability just to move around the building are great. I feel like I can go study in a lounge instead of having to walk across campus to the library. It's really nice. I do spend a lot more time in the building, in our lounge spaces, because a lot of res halls don't have as much space to spread out and have your own workspace, so it's really nice.